Living with sleep apnea can be a challenge. Thankfully, we have PAP machines that give us the opportunity to get a good night's sleep again. But let's be honest, having peace of mind about keeping it clean shouldn't be another cumbersome process. That's where Sleep8 comes in. This short series of videos will show you how to get the most out of your Sleep8 experience. Listen, did you know that each night as you sleep peacefully using your PAP machine, germs can build up in the water chamber, in the tubing, and in the mask? If not sanitized, this bacteria could impact your sinuses and overall respiratory health. With the daily use of your Sleep8, your PAP machine will be germ-free, giving you better sleep and better health. Now, let's unpack what's inside your Sleep8 box, how to charge your Sleep8, how to use it, and what to know going forward. So let's get started.